previous class we discussed how to add dependence and how to load one project into Eclipse. This class will discuss how to create classes and how to add dependencies. Package. We will discuss about first mobile application. Mobile package we need to create. Inside mobile class called mobile. Mobile required a battery. New class battery. And we need to inject battery into mobile. Battery. 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 Protect. Okay. And first I will do here the rate component annotation component and for pin creation. Inside battery there is a method called public string get battery watts. This is the method packet. Here we are returning 4000 mAh battery. We are returning here. Inside the mobile it want to be auto wire. This one also will declare a component at the rate component. For these two we will create Spring Bean configuration file. Here we need to create Spring Bean configuration file. New Bean configuration file. Application hyphen context dot xml. Here we need to go to namespaces and we need to add context. Okay, and we need to come here, we need to add base packages. Component scan. Context components can base packages com dot spring demo dot mobile. I will explain next class how to create a test class for this one.